Trudeau urges cautiousness on general well-being measures to contain fatal spike in coronavirus cases. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau today pleaded with Canadians to bear down and follow public health rules to contain an alarming spike in COVID-19 cases, as new projections warn of a possible explosion in the caseload. Trudeau's plea comes as new modelling from the Public Health Agency of Canada, PHAC, shows the number of COVID-19 cases could reach 60,000 a day by the end of December if Canadians increase their current level of contact with other people. That number could be limited to 20,000 a day if Canadians maintain their current number of personal contacts, according to PHAC. But to drive that number under 10,000 cases a day by the end of the year, Canadians would need to limit their interactions to essential activities while maintaining physical distancing and adhering to other public health guidelines. Trudeau acknowledged that people are getting tired of restrictions, especially in the wake of recent reports suggesting a vaccine will be available in the new year. Trudeau also issued an emotional plea to the public to protect the frontline workers now risking their lives, and the lives of their family members, to keep Canadians safe. "We need to stop this spike in cases. We are now going to have to really tighten up once again," Trudeau says as COVID numbers spike. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau returned to the steps of Rideau Cottage where he made an impassioned plea to Canadians to slow the spread of the COVID virus. Trudeau said limiting the spread of transmission is critical for the long-term health of the national economy. Going into lockdowns and supporting businesses while we're in that lockdown is a better way of ensuring their success in a few months, in a few years, than trying to tough through a virus that is running around unchecked. Tam asked people to take precautions during the upcoming holiday season by following public health guidelines, limiting outings and restricting in-person activities to household members where possible. Rideau said the federal government has been working to support the provinces and territories facing surge demands with necessary supplies such as personal protective equipment, PPE, and ventilators. But she said frontline workers, pharmacy workers and personal support workers are under strain after working flat out for several months. The modelling predicts that the number of COVID-19 deaths could rise from the current level of slightly more than 11,100 to just more than 12,100 by the end of the month if Canadians maintain their current level of contact with other people.